relationships. Next, types of pointer. Yeah, these are the other topics left, guys. Series only pointer basics completed. Warnings, errors in the pointers. Next, operations on the pointers. Pointer to pointer relationships and types of pointers. Clear? These are the subtopics in pointers, guys. Right, the next one is warnings or errors in the pointers. Two warning messages are there. What are the two warning messages? When we are working with pointers, we get following warning messages. One is suspicious pointers conversion. Second one is non-portable pointers conversion. Write these two warnings first. First one is suspicious pointers conversion. Second one is non-portable pointers conversion. Yeah, we check it these warnings, guys, first, right? First warning message, guys. What is first warning message? You can check it. First warning message is suspicious pointers conversion. First one is suspicious pointers conversion. Yeah, what is suspicious pointers conversion, guys? See, when we are assigning one type of pointer into another type of address, when we are assigning one type of address into another type of pointer, when we are assigning one type of address into another type of pointer, when we are assigning one type of address into another type of pointer. For example, int x is 5, guys. If you assign character star p equals to address of x, okay, and you are assigning character star p equals to address of x, this is an integer value, okay. We are storing which address, which location, guys? Character star p. What is character star p? Character pointer. What is a character pointer? Expects character address, right? Character pointer expects character address, but we are assigning integer address you are assigning. Then warning message will occur. See the warning message, guys. Which warning message will shows? Program execution starts from a series. Don't write series. This is integer x equals to 5. Now we are assigning to character pointer. Assign to character pointer. Character star p equals to address of x. If I compile, one warning or error. Error it is showing. What is the error, guys? You can see this cannot convert to. This is a C++ program. Now I will save as .c extension. In C++, this is error. But if I compile, see this warning in C. C is it ignores the guys. It won't. Okay, it takes light. Yeah, see guys. This is character star p expects character address, but when you are saying how see C compiler ignores that ఏదైతే అడ్రస్ కానీ తీసేసుకుంటుంది అంతే రైట్ జస్ట్ వార్నింగ్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ దట్స్ ఆల్ రైట్ వివేక్ yeah see this guys integer x equals to 5 character star p equals to address of x character star p equals to address of x now we get to this warning guys right see the warning what is the warning suspicious two warnings you are getting one warning is suspicious pointers conversion other warning is p is assigned a value that is never used what is the first warning suspicious why it is suspicious one type of address you are assigning one type of pointer character pointer stores the character address but see simply it is allowing us c language it is c compiler is allowing this kind of warnings now warnings suna execute this program errors would execute cheyana right whatever it is anything right it is a character or integer it is taking as a light are you following but how to remove this warning I don't want those warnings first warning message I don't want what to do guys convert into character address how to convert into character address save write char star if I write a char star now this warning is clear that warning on one warning is what is other warning p declared but why didn't you use that p that is other warning if I use that warning will be removed guys can I use that printf series percent value star p if I write star p that warning will be removed I use it no that is if you use that warning will be removed clear how to remove this warning as suspicious what is this is a warning guys what is a warning suspicious pointers conversion yeah then how to remove this warning a character star p equals to we can remove char star of address of x this is warning right how to remove this warning we can remove this is value clear second one guys are you following guys suspicious clear why it is suspicious one address if you assign to another pointer integer x is fine expects integer address but you assign select character star p expects character this one two warning messages guys warnings errors when we are working with pointers we get following warning messages or error messages right first one is suspicious pointers conversion second one is a non-portable pointers conversion Yeah, second warning message completed. Second one is non-portable pointers conversion. Yeah, what is non-portable pointers conversion, guys? Second one is non-portable pointers conversion. What is non-portable pointers conversion, guys? Non-portable. Why portable? Portable means movable, or right? Portable means portable TV. Portable TV means movable. Yeah. What is non-portable pointers conversion? Right. When we assign value type data to a pointer. When we assign value type data to a pointer. For example, see this int star p. I'm writing int star p equals to 1000. Guys, tell me, are we initializing p value or star p value? This is p or star p value, guys. No, no, it's a p value. What is type, guys? Data type is int star. Variable is p. P value is 1000. Okay, now p means address. What is the meaning of this? P is pointing to 1000 location. That is the meaning. P is pointing to 1000 location. That is the meaning. But 1000 is the address. 1000 is the address, guys, here. But here, when you write like this, value, 1000 is what? Value type data. Value type data. This is warning we'll get, guys. You write like this, you write like this warning. Pointers cannot. What is Akileshwar? Can you elaborate that? Akileshwar. Sir, pointers cannot be initialized with data types. I did not initialize, no. That is 1000 is the address. It is pointing to that location. We can initialize. Pointers also can be initialized. Who said that? Yeah, if you write like this, what will happen, guys? That means is what warning will get. See this? Pointer expects address. Pointer expects address. For example, if I write int star p equals to 1000, means what? Our understanding is p is pointing 1000 location. But if I compile two warning messages, what is a non-portable pointer conversion? Why non-portable? We can't assign. That is the meaning. We assign value type data. Pointer expects what? Address type. Pointer expects address type. But what type you assign? 1000. 1000 is a value. Yeah, yesterday class I told you, last class, guys. 1000 is a what? Number. 1000 is a number. Compiler treats as a number only. Okay. Now this is what? Warning. Why it is warning? Number you assign. But our intention is what? Our intention is different. 1000 address it has to point. Right? Our intention is clear, but pointer is getting confusion. Why you assign a value? We are saying it's not value, it's the address. How to say that? See this. I want to convert this as address. How to convert this address, guys? Int star. Okay, now what is the meaning? Now this is converted to int star, integer address. Now that warning is gone. Only other warning is please assign a value that is never used. Okay, no? That warning is you can write. First, if you write like this, guys, what is the meaning of this? Warning. What is the warning, guys? Non-portable pointers conversion. Non-portable pointers conversion. Then how to rectify this warning as we can rectify this int star p equals to int star of 1000. Now what is the meaning? That is a value it is. Now it's the address. Yeah, what happens? See, Chandrudu, for example, your question is, guys, tell me, Chandrudu, can you answer this question? IS and A is 10, B is 10, C is 10, D is 10. Is it a error, Chandrudu? A already storing 10. A already storing 10. Again, I store 10 is B. Again, I store. Is this error? Yeah, same. Your question you can answer. Uh, you got your answer, I think. Sir, what happens if that address is already occupied? Got it, Chandra? Your answer? Any pointer, any pointers అయినా ఒక location ని point చేయొచ్చు. There is no restrictions to one pointer has to point one location. There is no any restrictions. ఓకేనా? సేమ్ ఇక్కడ 10 అనేది ఏలో స్టోర్ చేసాం, బిలో స్టోర్ చేసాం, సిలో స్టోర్ చేసాం. యూ కెన్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ మెనీ నెంబర్స్, నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్. ఓకే, సేమ్ వే any pointers. See, 10 pointers can point one location, no problem. 100 pointers also can point one location. There is no any restrictions. If already occupied also, no problem. Okay. See, int star p equals to int star of 1000. That warning, guys. Guys, tell me now what is p now? I'm going to print p star p. Print a percentile u, percentile u, percentile d. What is p star p, guys? Tell me p and star p. What is p value? What is star p value? Now, what is the meaning of this program? I told you, right? P is pointing, P is pointing, P is storing what? 1000 address. That is the meaning. What is 1000 location? You don't know what is 1000 location. What is there? This is a 1000 location. You don't know. Can you tell answer? Yes, we can tell. What is the answer? I can tell it's a garbage value. P is how much address. Star P means value at that address. Do you know value at that address? You don't know. This is, I can tell P is pointing 1000, right? What is star P, guys? This is a P you are printing. Second value star P. What is star P? I don't know. If you don't know, then we can tell as a answer is garbage. Unpredictable value, that is called garbage. Okay, na 1000 and that the answer is garbage. Yeah, Sanjay, very good. Once execute, guys, see this. This is 1000 and garbage value, right? Why it's printing 0, we don't know, right? That is a garbage. Anything can print. Clear? Huh? How to, there's two warnings, guys. One is suspicious pointers conversion. One type of address if you store in another type of pointer. Second one is what? When you assign value type data to a pointer. Okay? Pointer expects address, guys. Pointer expects address. Your value assign, that is a warning. When you assign value type data to a pointer. 1000 is a value. Okay? 1000 is the address. Now I want to point 1000 address. How to write? If you want to point 1000 address, we need to write like this. Convert that as address. If you write like this, that warning. This is valid, but warning. Clear? Next, operations on pointers, guys. You can write that program. What is P star P value? P is a 1000, star P is a garbage value. You can write a garbage value. Okay, next one, guys. Write operations on pointers. Okay, operations on pointers. Which operations it supports, guys? Guys, listen. two pointers I'm taking, P1 plus P2. What is P1 plus P2, guys? Error. What is P1 plus P2? Here I am taking, guys, address plus address. Address plus address is error. Okay, no? P1 plus P2 is error. Okay. P1 plus P2. What is P1 plus P2? Address plus address is error, guys. Okay, no? Which one it supports? We check it. P1 plus P2 is error. P1 into P2. What is P1 into P2, guys? This is address into address. This is also error. P1 by P2. What is P1 by P2, guys? Address by address. Okay, error. Next, P1 percentile P2 is address percentile address. This is also error. Okay, na? Which one is valid? I didn't forget, guys. That is intentional. I did not write. What is this? Address minus address. Address minus address is valid. Yeah, what is address minus address? Number of values it returns between two addresses. Okay, address minus address. What is address minus address, guys? It gives a number of values between the two addresses. Okay, no? P1 minus P2 it supports, guys. Yeah, how to get the number of values between the two addresses? Number of values equals, this is a formula, guys. Number of values equals to address difference by size of data type. This is a formula. Only subtraction it supports. Okay. P address plus address is valid. Address into address. Remaining all operations are error, guys. Only it supports address minus address. Okay. See this. Guys, it supports address minus address, right? Now, I will show in the program. Remaining all operations are error, guys. Remaining all operations are error. Only it supports address minus address only. What is address minus address? Number of values between the two addresses. Okay, na? Number of values between the two addresses. Now see, guys, take two pointers. You have to take two pointers, guys. P1 is pointing 1000 location. P2 also pointing, right? How to write a P2, guys? Int star P2 equals to, it is pointing. Again, warning we get, otherwise warning will get 2000. I'm writing. P1 is 1000, P2 is 1000, 2000, right? How to get a number of values, guys? Now I want to write a number of values equals to How to get number of values, guys? Percentile P2 minus P1. Guys, tell me what is the answer for this. Write this program and tell me answer. P2 minus P1. Guys, 6:30 class timings, not 7. Uh, yeah, Jashwant, good. Yeah, Sirisha, 250 was saying in which compiler? That is a online compiler, 32-bit compiler, right? Yeah, this is what 16-bit compiler. Yeah, we are using 60-bit, no, Sirisha. Now, what is the answer, guys? 2000 minus 1000 by size of data type. Here we are using 16-bit compiler. It takes two. So integer is 2 bytes, right? We are learning like this only. 2 bytes. Now 2000 minus 1000. What is 2000 minus 1000? 1000 by 2. What is 1000 by 2, guys? 500 is the answer. Okay. If I write P1 minus P2 minus 500, you will get. That's all. Okay. See these values. Number of values equals to 500. Okay, no? I think you understood, guys. How to get number of values, guys? Address difference by size of data type. Next example. Yeah, you can tell answer next one, guys. See this. Take two locations. See this. Now I want to write. Clear this one? Now I'm taking, guys, int x is 10, y is 20. Number of values equals to percentile. Now I'm going to write, guys, you can tell, guys, address of x minus address of y. This is also address minus address only, guys. Guys, tell me answer for this. Number of values equals to how to get number of values. Y minus 5, Teja? How did you get minus 5? Stack, yesterday I told you, why garbage 0? Yeah, did you understand yesterday stack concept? I told you, guys, first x value will be stored. This is stack. Yesterday I explained. Okay. If you follow, if you write yesterday class, if you understood, guys, then this is easy to understand. Okay. Once see this, we have written this, guys. is stack, guys. Okay, na? I told you data will be stored from higher order to lower order. I told you if it is empty, guys, if it is data is there, it won't take here. If data is there, it won't take this. Next two bytes, it will check. For example, assume there is no data. These 2 bytes, next 2 bytes will be stored here itself. I told you guys. Are you following? For example, you can take an address. For example, this total data is there. Now 4 bytes is enough, guys. For example, X value stored in these 2 bytes. X is occupied here. Y takes this byte, these 2 bytes, guys. Now how it takes 998 it is. 998. It is a 998. This is 999. Next, this is what? 1000. This is what? 1001. For example, X value occupied 2 bytes. Y value occupied 2 bytes. X is 1000 and 1001. Y is which location? 998, 999. Now tell me, guys, what is the address of X? 1000 minus 998 by size of data type. What is size of data type? 2 bytes. Okay, 1000 minus 998. How much, guys? 2. 2 by 2 is the answer is 1. Clear? Huh? Guys, one check it. Address of X minus 1 is the answer, guys. Number of values is 1. Clear? Huh? Chandrudu. Teja. Arfan. Minus 1 by 2. How did you get minus 1 by 2, Arfan? Neha. How it is minus 5? You have taken the values. Huh? Don't take values. This is X, Y it is. 20 minus 10 by 2 is 20 minus 10 minus 2. 10 minus 20 by 2. Don't take values, Neha. Addresses. We are writing what? Address of X minus address of Y. Yeah, guys. Yesterday I told you no. This variable stored in stack area. Okay, this takes 2 bytes. This take 2 bytes. I told you, right? Stack will be like this. It will fill from కింద రైట్ బాటమ్ నుంచి ఫిల్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పాను రైట్ ఇట్ విల్ ఫిల్ ఫ్రమ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఓకేనా ఇఫ్ డేటా ఉందనుకోండి నెక్స్ట్ 2 bytes దిస్ ఇస్ అ ప్రాసెస్ ఇట్ ఫాలోస్ గైస్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనం చెప్పలేం వీ కాంట్ టెల్ దిస్ ఓకే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది ఎంటీ ఉందనుకోండి ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది ఒకవేళ డేటా ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ 2 bytes ఆక్యుపై చేస్తుంది అర్థమైందా అట్లా చెక్ చేసుకున్న పోతాయి నెక్స్ట్ పైకి వెళ్తుంది రైట్ ఇట్ విల్ ఫిల్ ఫ్రమ్ higher order sorry this bottom to top because it's a stack. Assume there is no data here, then X value will be stored here. Next, where Y value will be stored? Here only it's stored. Okay. Now address of X is how much? This address it takes. For example, consider this is any address, guys. 1000, 1001. Okay, 998. It will come like this, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. It will come. Okay, above value is a lower address. Below value is a higher address which contains. Okay, X address is 1000, Y address is 998. Assuming it in 1000 and exact something it takes. Okay, no? That value is 1. I'm not saying Sanjay X will be stored that order. Stack process. You can check other compiler also. I will show you. No, Sanjay, your doubt is good doubt only. No. If data is there, next will. I'm not saying whether data is there or not. Your question, sir, how can you say X will be stored in? I'm not saying it is stored in 34 and 35. If already data is there, next 2 bytes it takes. I'm not saying I am not taking that address. No, I did not take 34, the 34, 35. I did not work with this. Yeah, I will show you series. Now I am going to print X address, Y address. Anything it may take. Okay, you are given percentile u is address of x comma address of y. Okay, see the difference here. You got 24 and 22. Is 24, 25, 22, 23. Yeah, see, I will work with other compiler. Don't worry. I'll show you in that compiler also. GDB online compiler. Okay. We try with this compiler. Okay. What it produce. I don't know what it takes exactly, right? We are just trying for that. Okay, see this. Does it follow the same or it gives what? Y x is 10, y is 20. Now I am trying to printf yes, number of values. What are the number of values is a percentile d address of x minus address of y. Here I want to select this. C only I'm selecting. I'm not selecting turbo C. Option is there. See this. It is showing number of values is -1. I'm going to print a x and y address, guys. Address of x and address of y. Percentile u. Okay, na? Guys, see this. We are printing address of x and address of y. Run this address of x and address of y. If I execute, what is address of x? If you observe, see this is address of x. This is address of y. 8448. X value stored in 8448. Y value stored in 8452. It is taking what? 4 bytes only. It is taking 4 bytes. It is taking 4 bytes. Random stack formats only it is taking. Okay, na? Clear, guys? Yeah, fun. See, I am saying A to B are fun. A to B's distance is, distances how to measure. 100 is a distance. Normally B to A, if you say, how do you say distance is? We normally we say -100. If you attend aptitude sessions or any other session, right? Distance minus means what? Distance minus means that is distance. One direction positive is a another direction we say negative, right? Number of values is -1 means what is the meaning? Number of values is 1, number of values is -1. Between the two addresses, number of values is 1. Between the two addresses, number of values is -1. Meaning is this direction is we say 1, this direction we say -1. That's the meaning. That's all. Okay. If you say 1 or -1, that is the correct one. Distance is 500. Distance is -500. Both are same, no? Yeah, guys. See, next one. Address plus number, guys. Not completed. Address plus number. What is address plus number is valid. You know, guys, how did you write? Welcome plus 3, welcome -3. Earlier we have written address plus number, address minus number. P1 plus 3, P1 minus 3. Okay, can I write P1 plus 3, guys? P plus 3. That is your wish, guys. P plus 3 is valid. P minus 3 is valid. Okay. What are the remaining operations? P into 3. Welcome into 3. Try, guys. It gives error. Address into number is error. Address by number. P by 3. This is also address by 3. This is also error. Next, address percentile number. Address percentile number. This is also error. Okay. Yeah, write this one also, guys. Next, increment, decrement. We discuss this. Okay, na? Increment, decrement operations. Increment, decrement operations. What are the increment, decrement operations? Does it support only arithmetic we discussed? See this, guys. Can I write P1 plus plus next address, guys? What is P1 plus plus next address? Plus plus P1. What is plus plus P1? That is also next address. P1 minus minus. This is what? Previous address. Minus minus P1. What is the minus minus previous address? Yeah, first write this. I will explain what is next address, what is previous address. First write this, guys. Complete first. Guys, completed. Yeah, what is P1 plus plus? What is plus plus P1, guys? Listen carefully. This diagram. See this. Uh, which one Tulses? No. That is I told you no. Pointers difference is different. Okay now. P1 minus P2 is not normal subtraction. It's not address minus address. Address minus address, it gives the number of values between the two addresses. Number difference is different. Address difference is different. Okay now through this. Yeah, see this, guys. What is plus plus P1? We write, guys, x, y, z values. X is there, y is there, z value is there. X value occupied 2 bytes, guys. Okay now. Y value occupied 2 bytes. Assume y value occupied 2 bytes, z value occupied integer. No, now I am writing this is a x value stored in 2 bytes. Assume, guys, this is 1000, x value stored in 2 bytes, 1001. This value is 1003 and 1004, sorry, 1002, right? This value stored in 1002 and 1003. Next, y value, z value stored in 1004 and 1005. Three values we are having, guys. This is x, this is y, this is z. Okay na? So what is x value, guys? This is x. This is y. Okay na? This is z. X value, x occupied 2 bytes, y occupied 2 bytes, z occupied 2 bytes. Guys, can you say p equals to address of x? What is the address of x, guys, here? Guys, respond. 1000, right? Yeah, if I say p plus plus, guys, what is p plus plus? You can unmute and you can talk, guys. What is p plus plus? Tell me. Yeah, Dheeraj, it's not 1001. What is p plus plus, guys? Next address.
1002, sir.
1002. Good. It's not 1001, guys, because not next byte, next address, next variable address. That means next address means here, you try to understand p plus plus means next variable address. Next address means next variable address. This is also same. Next variable address. Previous address means not previous byte, previous variable address. Okay. Well, this is also previous variable address. Clear? Are you following? P1 plus plus next variable address? Okay. See this. Now I want to write plus plus. What is p value, guys? Here p is a 1002. Previously p is how much? 1001. Now I am going to write, guys, p equals to p plus 3. Guys, tell me what is p equals to p plus 3. Guys, respond. P equals to p plus 3. What is p plus 3? Guys, tell me what is p equals to p plus 3. Next, third variable address. Okay, na? This is 1002, no? 1004, 1006. Next, third way. Where is p? P is at 1002. P is at 1002. Next, third variable. Tell me next third variable. Where next third variable is there?
1008.
Yeah, 1000.
8, sir.
Yeah, 1008 is the answer. P is how much, guys? 1008. Okay. Next, p equals to p plus 100. If I say p equals to p plus 100, can you tell what is p value? Next 100 at the variable. How much you have to add, guys? 100 times. This p plus 3 means 3 location. Okay. Yes. How much you have to add, guys? 100 into 2. 100 times move avali. 100 times move avalante each time 2 bytes, no? 100 times means 200. What is the answer, guys? 1208. Did you get this? Yeah, good, guys. I think you understood, guys. Now I am writing p equals to again p plus. Can I write p equals to p plus 2? If I write p plus 1 now, can I write like this? This is also valid. R plus plus p also you can write instead of this plus plus p. What is plus plus p? Now p equals to how much, guys? P equals to 1210, 1210. Okay, now negative values I want to write. P, where is p, guys? Now p is a 1210. Now I want to write, guys, p minus minus. If you write p minus minus, what is the p value? 1208. Okay, because this is at 1210. Now I want to write p equals to p minus 3. Yeah, how many times you need to go back? We have to go back 3 times. Go now once. What is p value, guys? P value is 1202. And then 8 kada 6 4 2. This is 1202. Now I want to write minus minus p. Can I write minus minus p? Yes, we can write minus minus p. What is a minus minus p, guys? P equals to 1200. Can I write p equals to p minus 200? Yes, we can write p equals to p minus 200. What is 200, guys? How many bytes you have to move? 400 bytes. Now what is the p value, guys?
800.
Is the answer. I think you understood what is the p plus 3, p plus, right? Yeah, good, guys. Because the integer takes 2 bytes here. That's why you need to move to 2 bytes. Write this, guys. I will give one program now. Write this. Yeah, Sharath. ఆల్రెడీ p మూవ్ చేశాం కదా. p ప్లస్ ప్లస్ రాసినప్పుడు 1002 ఉంది. p plus 3 means we're saying 1006. How 1006? ఆల్రెడీ మూవ్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నా. Individual 1002, no? Next 1004, 1006, 1008. 3 times you are moving. 3 times. Sharath, okay na? Already it is at you are taking P is 1000. P is 1000 here. This is okay. First line 1000. P plus plus I move to 1002. Right? P plus plus means next location. Yeah, write this guys. Guys, completed. Now I will give a program, guys. Tell me answer for that. Right? Here X integer takes 2 bytes. That depends upon compiler, guys. Okay. Now see this. I want to write a program. Yeah. Guys, think and tell me answer. Okay. Don't tell blindly. Now I am taking a different pointers. Character star p1 equals to. This is pointing where which location, guys? 1000 location. Into star p2 equals to where it is pointing. Into star of 1000 location. Float also where it is pointing. Float star p3 equals to float star of 1000. Double star p4 equals to double star of 1000. Yeah. Now see this, guys. P1 plus plus P2 plus plus P3 plus plus P4 plus plus. Okay, now write answer for this. Printf, I'm going to print percentile u, percentile u, percentile u1, percentile u. What is P1, P2, P3, P4? Now P1 equals to P1 plus 2, P2 equals to P2 plus 2, P3 equals to P3 plus 2, P4 equals to P4 plus 2. Now I am going to print the values. See this. Percentile u, percentile u, percentile u, and percentile. Now I can write a P1 comma P2 comma P3 comma and P4. Yeah, tell me answers those two printf statements, guys. These are different pointers. Okay, na? Write this. Guys, see what is the answer for this? First printf statement, guys. Tell me first printf statement. Character, why it is moving 2 bytes? Integer pointer, why it is moving 2 bytes, guys? Integer value stored in 2 bytes. Now tell me, guys, what are the pointers you have taken? Character pointer. Guys, you need to know character, how many bytes it occupies? 1 byte. Integer pointer, how many bytes it occupies? 2 bytes. Float, how many bytes it occupies? 4 bytes. Double, how many bytes, guys? 8 bytes. You should know first this. Okay. P1 plus plus means, what is P1 plus plus? Character pointer, it goes to next variable address. Where is next variable address? It takes a next byte only, because character occupies 1 byte. Now this value, it will move 1 byte only, because what is the reason? I told you, no, this one integer, how many bytes it will move, guys? 2 bytes. This is 1002. What about float? Float stored in 1004. What about double? Double stored in 1008. Clear? 1001, 1002, 1004, and 1008. All are pointing which location? 1000 location. Is it a mistake? No, it's not mistake. In 100 pointers also can point on location. Okay, any number of pointers can point on location, no problem. In 9 point JH. Now this is 1001 because it will move 1 byte. Clear are this one? Yeah, first printf is this, guys. Once execute, you can see the output 1001, 1002, right? 1004 and 1008. 1001, 1002, 4 and 8 is first value. Guys, come to second. This is okay, right? Why it is moving? Character stored in 1 byte. That's why it will move 1 byte, guys. It will move 1 byte. It will move 1 byte because it will store in 1 byte. It will move 1 byte because, are you following, guys? Because this value is stored in 1 byte. Clear? Now what about this one, guys? P1 plus 2. Where is P1, guys? This value already 1001. This is. After moving, what is this value, guys? This value located at 1001. Okay. What is the second value, guys? This is 1002. Because this value at 1002. Where is this value? 1004. What about this location, guys? 1008. Yeah, come to this, guys. P1 plus 2. What is P1 plus 2? 2 times it is moving. 2 times when it moves 2 bytes, every time 1 byte, right? 1001 it is, 1003 it is. What about P2 plus 2? Already it is 1002. Now it will move 1006. Yes. What about this, guys? 1004, 2 times, 8 bytes will move. 4, 4, 2 times, right? 1012 it is. What about this value, guys? P4 plus 2. What is P4 plus 2? 1008 it is. 2 times, right? 16 bytes it will move. 1024 is the answer. Now once execute, guys, if I execute this answer, you can see the answer, guys. 1000. First value is 1001, 248, 36, 12, 24. That is the answer. Okay, na? Good, guys. I think you understood, right? These values. Next, right? Relational operations on pointers. Relational operations on pointer. Yeah, what are the relational operations, guys? Can I compare 2 pointers? P1 greater than P2? Yes, valid. P1 less than P2? Yes, this is also valid. Okay, can I compare 2 pointers? Yes, these all are valid operations, guys. We can compare 2 pointers. Okay, P1 greater than or equals to P2. This is also valid. P1 less than or equals to P2. Addresses same kaada check cheyochu. Error em ledu. Okay na? We can compare these all pointers, guys. Pointer relationships also valid. Relations. Next one. What are logical and bitwise operations? Logical and bitwise operations. Yeah, guys. What are the logical operations, guys? It supports logical operations. P1 and P2 is valid. Okay, it supports P1 or P2. This is also valid, guys. But bitwise operations are errors, guys. For example, we cannot P1 and P2. This is a bitwise and no error it is. P1 or P2. Now can I write P1 or P2? This is also error. These operations are invalid, guys. Logical and bitwise operations. Okay, no? Next. Conditional operations you can support. Okay, all we checked, right? Bitwise operations, it's logical, okay, but bitwise it doesn't support. Okay, now in conditional we can do conditional operation also we can do. Last one is size of operation. Size of operator. What is size of operator, guys? See this. Using size of completed this. Using size of operator, we can find out. Using size of operator, we can find out. You can find the size of the pointer. అంటే పాయింటర్ కూడా వేరియబుల్ ఎన్ని బైట్స్ లో ఆక్యుపై చేస్తుంది అనేది కూడా కనుక్కోవచ్చు. We can find out size of, right? No, not like that. Bugde Chandru. That is it's a unary operator. No, this is address of P1 is this is different. When it works like this, address left aim legapotene address laga work out. Okay, na? There is nothing left side, then it is address. Left side, right side, it is having. For example, if it is having like this, P and Q. Does it takes address of Q? No, it won't take as address of Q. Clear? Now it takes as a bitwise and because you have written left to right, then it consider as a clear binary operator. Binary operator means this is a bitwise or and ఒకటి ఉంటేనే address. Yeah, guys, we write a size of int and size of int. Size of int star. Size of char. Size of char star. Size of float. Size of float star. Size of double. Size of double star. Okay, now enough. Size of void. Size of void star. Yeah, what is the meaning of this, guys? See, for example, see guys, integer we have taken integer, character, float, double. It's 8 bytes. It's the integer, no, 2 bytes. Character, no, 1 byte. Float, no, 4 bytes. Double, 8 bytes. Okay, no? For example, assume, guys, this address is this value stored in 1000 and 1001. Assume, guys, this is 2000. I am taking random address. I did not take any sequential address, guys. Okay, this is a 3001, 3002, 3002, 3004, 4 bytes, no? Yeah, for example, guys, double. What is double, guys? It takes what? For example, some location, guys, 500. I am not taking exactly. Don't worry, guys. Ignore these. Okay, if it is wrong, what I'm taking numbers are wrong, leave it. Now this address, what is the base address we store? 1000, no, integer address. Yeah, how to store 1000, guys? Pointer, how many bytes it takes? Yeah, p is what? P is this value. I want to store this address. P also takes what? 1000 value stored in 2 bytes. It is a which address? Integer address stored in 2 bytes. This is what? Character address. What is a character address, guys? Character address also stored in 2 bytes. Are you following, guys? This is 2000. What about float address? Float address also stored in 2 bytes. Now size of pointer takes how many bytes, guys? Size of pointer takes, this is 3000. Yeah, what about this 500? This value double it takes 8 bytes. That also takes 2 bytes. This also takes 2 bytes. 500. Okay. Now tell me, guys. You understood, I think. Size of int. How many bytes, guys? Size of int. 2 bytes, right? Yeah. Now tell me size of int star. 2 bytes. Size of character. 1 byte. Size of char star. 2 bytes. Size of float. 4. Size of double. 2 bytes. Size of sorry, this is double. 8 bytes.
ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే బయో గురించి మాట్లాడు. నువ్వు ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే నేను బయో గురించి మాట్లాడు. ఆగు, అలాంటప్పుడు బయో తీసేయి. బయో ఎందుకు పెట్టుకున్నావు? ఇదంతా కాదు, బయో తీయడం ఎందుకు చెప్పు. రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం నాకు చెప్పు.
Vinay.
అరే నేను ఒక్క
Is in a very serious discussion that Vinay Kena. Yeah, we take his number. We'll call. Yeah, size of void error, guys. Size of void star. Size of void star is 2 bytes. Okay, now? Yeah, guys. Why it is taking all 2 bytes? Because that depends upon data bytes we allocate. Are you following, guys? Why character 1 byte it is taking? Because character range is, this is the character range 0 to 255. How many bytes is enough? 1 byte is enough. Okay, now? Why it is takes integer takes 2 bytes? The data is different. What is the data? Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Yeah, 1 byte is sufficient? No. How many bytes required? 2 bytes required. Yeah, that's why you take 2 bytes. What about float? That's the same, guys. Okay, no? Yeah, guys. Address range. Address range is what, guys? Address range is this. Okay, na? Address range is 0 to 65,535. Character అయినా ఇక్కడే స్టోర్ అవ్వాలా, ఇంటీజర్ అయినా ఇక్కడే స్టోర్ అవ్వాలా, ఫ్లోట్ అయినా ఇక్కడే స్టోర్ అవ్వాలా, రైట్? వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అడ్రస్ రేంజ్, గైస్? 0 to 65,535. To store this address, how many bytes required for pointer? 2 bytes is mandatory, guys. Pointer takes, if it is any kind of address, it takes what, guys? 2 bytes. Are you following, guys? Understood? Why it takes 2 bytes? Clear, are you? మీకు 32-bit కంపైలర్, గైస్, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఇంటీజర్ ఎన్ని బైట్స్ తీసుకుంటుందో పాయింటర్ కూడా అన్ని బైట్స్ తీసుకుంటుంది, రైట్? దట్ డిపెండ్స్ ద సిస్టమ్. ఇయర్ 2 bytes, దేర్ ఆల్సో 2 bytes. Next, yeah, right, guys. Pointer to pointer relationship. I will tell you this topic and I will close the session, guys. See this, right? It is a concept of completed, right? Size of int 2 bytes, size of int star 2 bytes, character 1 byte, char star 2 bytes, double 2 bytes, double star 2 bytes, right? Double 8 bytes, float 4 bytes. Yeah, right. It is a concept of storing. What is the pointer to pointer? Address cannot be octal or hexadecimal. No, Tuljesh, what is the meaning of that? Octal కావు అనేది ఏంటి మీనింగ్? దట్ ఈస్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ ఎ స్టేట్మెంట్. Tuljesh, I did not understand what you were saying. నెంబర్ ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో స్పెసిఫై చేయొచ్చు. అది అడ్రస్ కావచ్చు, ఇంటీజర్ కావచ్చు, వాట్ ఎవర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10 ఉంది అనుకో, ఇది డెసిమల్ ఫార్మాట్. దీని హౌ టు రిప్రజెంట్ 1010. యూ కెన్ రిప్రజెంట్ దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ బైనరీ ఫార్మాట్. 021, this is octal format. Sorry, 012. 012 is a octal format. Then how to represent 0xa? This is hexadecimal format. Okay, this is decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Any number, address is nothing but a number. Number can be expressed in any format. Expressing is different. You are saying, right? I did not understand what is this meaning. Sir, addresses cannot be octal or hexadecimal. Address octal avadu. Edi octal avadu. That is octal is what? That is a representation. Okay. What is hexadecimal? That is a representation. One number can be represent different formats. Okay. See this. మనం దీన్ని ఎలా అంటాం? 1 అని చదువుతాం, తెలుగులో 1 అంటాం. ఓకేనా? హిందీలో ఏక్ అంటాం. రైట్? దిస్ ఏక్. ఇంగ్లీష్ మే 1. That what is the meaning of that? See, one value we are representing in different languages. Same way, 10 we are representing different formats. నువ్వేం చెప్తున్నాను? యువర్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ 1 హిందీలో చెప్పలేమన్నట్లు చెప్తున్నావు. దట్ ఈస్ అ మీనింగ్. వాట్ యూ సెడ్ దిస్ పాయింట్. క్లియరా? నెంబర్, ఎనీ నెంబర్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ ఎనీ ఫార్మాట్. యా, పాయింటర్ టు పాయింటర్ రిలేషన్షిప్స్. It is a concept of storing one pointer address into another pointer. It is a concept of storing one pointer address into another pointer. Okay, pointer to pointer relationships. Pointer to pointer relationships can be applied up to 12 stages. Up to 12 stages. Okay. Up to 12 stages. Okay, if we increase the pointer to pointer relationships, performance will be decreased. Okay, now guys, see this. For example, what is the pointer to pointer relationships? Yeah, guys, what is pointer to pointer relationship? See this, guys. Variable, guys. We take a variable, int x is 10. Yeah, this x value is stored in 2 bytes, right? Now, guys, see this diagram. Try to understand. X value is stored in 2 bytes. This is x. This value is how much? 10 or something, guys. 10 you have taken. 10. This value stored where? Some addresses. 1000. 1001. What is this value, guys? X. I want to store this address, guys. How to store this address? Take pointer variable. We are going to take pointer. We take pointer. How to take a pointer, guys? Int star p equals to address of x. Okay, now we are storing p location address of x. Take address of x, guys. What is the address of x? This is address of x. We are storing p value. What is p? P is a variable pointer that we are storing. 1000 value are storing in this. Pointer takes how many bytes again? Pointer also variable. It occupies some memory. 2000 and 2000. Assume some address is in a random. Don't take a sequential ga తీసుకోవాలి కదా అనుకోవద్దు. I have taken some address, guys. Okay. Now p also occupying 2 bytes. Can I take that address, guys? Yes, we can take. How to take this, guys? This is a variable. This is a pointer. Okay. Now I want to store pointer address. Then take pointer to pointer, guys. How to take pointer to pointer? We can declare int double star q. What is double star q? Is address of p. Can I write address of p? Yes. మీరు ఇట్లా రాయకూడదు. int star q అని రాయకూడదు మళ్ళీ. ఎందుకంటే to store int address, int star is required. To store int star address, int double star is required. Clear? Now see this. Now I want to take this q also occupying 2 bytes. Take q value, guys. Now what is q? Q stores the p address. What is the p address, guys? 2000. What is this? Q. This is Q, guys. Which address, guys? Assume 3000 and 3001. Okay, na? Which address? Q address. This is point. What is Q? Q is pointing this. Q is pointing this. Are you following, guys? Now I want to store Q address also. Then what is required? Pointer to pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer to pointer. What is required, guys? Int triple star R equals to, okay, address of Q. Now what is the R, guys? Now see this. Now R stores this address. Okay, now how many steps you can write like this, guys? 12 steps you can write. Yeah, is there any units 12 steps only? Yeah, guys, you can take 13 steps also. 12 steps you get the exact address, guys. From 13 steps also onwards, we can't say it's the exact address. మీరు 12 stars వరకు చెప్పుకోవచ్చు అమ్మా. 12 stars వరకు రాసుకోవచ్చు. 13 stars is not error. 13 stars is not error. We'll get 12 stars, we get the exact address, guys. Now tell me answers for x. X equals to how much? 5. Star x is how much? Can you write star x? Star x is a error. You know that. Are you following, guys? X is a 5. Star x is a error. Why error, guys? You know, right? You know this. Star x is y error. Clear, guys? Now I want to take p value, guys. Take p. P is how much? 1000. Yes or no? P is 1000. What is star p, guys? Star p's value is a, sorry, this is x 10. Okay, now guys, consider this is x is 5 రాస్తున్నాను. See this, whatever it is, guys. Modifies 8. This is x is 5, guys. Take this is 5. X is 5. Now I have taken x is 5. Whatever the value, guys, whatever it is. X is 5. Star p is how much, guys? Star p is 5. Can I write star p? You can't write star p, guys. What is star p is error. Okay, can I take what is q, guys? Q is how much? Q value is 2000. Yes or no? What is star q? Star q is 1000. Can I write star q? Yes, star q is then it is a 5. Okay, now q is 2000, star q is 1000, right? Now can I write star q? It is error, guys. Okay, now yeah, what about r, guys? Can I write r? R is, what is r is 1000. Sorry, r is how much, guys? 3000. Yeah, what is star r? What is star r, guys? 2000. What is star r? Now it is a 1000. Okay, can I write star r? And what is star r is 5. Can I write 4 stars r? It is error. Yeah, guys, ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే y performance will be increased. For example, మీరు star r అని రాసామనుకోండి, మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ r 3000. మనం డైరెక్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింటర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్? పాయింటర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే, యు నో రైట్, పాయింటర్స్ యు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, గైస్. Complete the pointers. What is concept? For example, I want to meet Subbarao in Hyderabad. One crore houses are there. I explained this, right? 1 crore houses are there, guys. If you don't know the address, what to do, guys? Anni houses check cheyali. I told you, right? This example. What is the meaning of this? For example, star r is what? Star p is okay, guys. Star p is okay. Go to that address, it accesses the data. That is the meaning of star p. అడ్రస్కి వెళ్ళి తెచ్చుకో. ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నామంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సుబ్బారావుని మీట్ అవ్వాలంటే వెంకట్రావుని మీట్ అవ్వు ఫస్ట్. వెంకట్రావుని మీట్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అవినాష్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి దెన్ గో టు సుబ్బారావు. ఇలా చెప్పామనుకుని ఏమవుతుంది? ఇది అర్థమైందా మీకు? స్టార్ ఆర్. వాట్ ఈస్ స్టార్ ఆర్? డైరెక్ట్ సుబ్బారావు అడ్రస్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు. డైరెక్ట్ సుబ్బారావు అడ్రస్ పోయామనుకోండి, అది ఈజీ. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? గో టు వెంకట్రావు, అప్పారావు, నెక్స్ట్ Avinash, then Subbarao, we are going. This is when you increase the performance, guys. It is okay. This is also better compared to direct any memory location check chese badulu. Itla 4 locations ki ellina gaani problem illa. This is okay, guys. But performance ane decrease avutadi. What is the pointers concept? Time reducing. Direct to Subbarao address skeleton is easy, right? It takes less time. What we are doing in this concept? Star go to 3000 దగ్గర నుంచి, రైట్? ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్, గైస్? వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్? 3000. ఇది ఎలా తీసుకుంటుంది? ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ ఆర్ తీసుకో. వాట్ ఈస్ స్టార్ ఆర్? 2000 దగ్గరికి వెళ్తుంది. మళ్ళీ స్టార్ ఆర్ 1000 దగ్గర, మళ్ళీ స్టార్ ఆర్ మళ్ళీ 1000 ఇట్లా మీట్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ మీకు ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అర్థమైతే రియల్ టైం దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ. అర్థమైందా? క్లియరా గైస్? వాట్ ఈస్ అ స్టార్ 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 ఆర్? ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? అర్థమైందా? స్టార్ ఆర్ కి స్టార్ పి కి స్టార్ 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 ఆర్ కి డిఫరెన్స్. Guys, write this and guys tell me, you are not responding. Did you understand this concept? Pointer to pointer relationships. Write this, guys. Guys, completed writing this one. The diagram also, right? Diagram also, guys, if it is completed. Yeah, write this diagram. Or you can take screenshot. That is also easy. Yeah, guys. That's all, guys, today. Guys, next topic is types of pointers. Once go through the types of pointers, guys. Once even practice and then you can understand, guys. Okay. Do it this next session. Types of pointers. It takes less time only. Next class, I will start arrays, guys. What are the different types of array declarations? Different types of array initializations, right? We discuss in the next session, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's all today. Clear? Did you understand? Why star x is error? You know that star number, star address is valid. Already we have written this. Star address is valid. Star number is error. Did you understand what is star 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 r? Okay, what is star 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 r is error. Okay. This is when you increase the pointer to pointer relationships, performance will be decreased. Okay, now how many stages you can write? 12 stars you can write. You write 13 stars also, that is not error, but performance wise it is not good. Okay, I told you, right? Go on meet to Subbarao means right, we are meeting middle some 10 members or 20 members. That is difficult. Again, it creates confusion or it takes time taking process. Okay. Guys, go through again these all topics, whatever I told. Try all programs, right? With the pointers, whatever you have written last sessions, right? Previous sessions, how did you write those programs? Try with this. Yeah, guys. That's all, guys, today. Okay. Any doubts, guys, today's session? Guys, do you have any doubts? Yeah, guys, that's all. If we don't have doubts, that is next class will continue, guys. Thank you, guys.